Circle, Dan. Just have a little bit more movement. Circle. Head up. Around the way. Stand up with it. Okay. Head to the side. Work your head to the side.
Know where you're at.
Spin behind.
Get your two.
Oh. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Chuck it. Chuck it. So a little more movement. Circle, circle, set it up. Get your head up. He's nothing yet. There's two. Keep that leg, keep that leg. Hook it, turk it, turk it. Turk. At the knee, at the knee. Turk it at the knee. There you go, arch. Cross face it, and arch. Look away, post and look away. Post and look away. Arch it, arch it. Off your knee, off your leg. Get him off your leg. Hand control, the wrist, get your hips out, nice. Keep going, hip pressure. Good job.
Way to go, Dan.
Set it up. Use your head, push away. Sit behind. Slow, lock it up, sit back with it. Walk that head, dude, walk it. Good pressure. Off the knees.
Squeeze hard, man. Squeeze hard.
There's your ankle. Work the ankle.
Squeeze hard, man.
There it comes. How much time? 56 time, man. Catch your knee.
Come on, Dan.
All right, in two. It's 2 years on. In two. Bring the arrow down. No, you just gotta put it right there. That's how I do it. Chop it up. Spiral, hit it in the crotch. Spiral. Stage one. There it is. That's the ankle. Ankle. Post your head off your knees. Walk it around the head. Right. JB. Work on an arm.
Cradle,
Work on one arm.
cradle in there.
There you go.
There you go, take it now.
Work on.
Lift right there,
knee.
lift right there. At the knee, at the knee. At the knee, lift at the knee. Lift at the knee. No, the other knee.
Okay, Dave.